Well, hello YouTube, this is Radikins again. Right, obviously if you saw my last video on there, probably up here somewhere, right, I want to say, in the last minute or so you'll see me talking about this kit. But now I'm going to do a unboxing. Get beer. Lovely. Right, okay, right. First of all, let's have a look at this. Japanese hospital ship, Hasegawa, I want to say kit, and it is the 700 scale Hikawa Maru. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. 700 scale waterline model, which is a shame really because I wanted to do it, say place it with this one. This is the 700 scale Titanic made into the Britannic. I've got a whole separate video on there, I'll link it. Right, but in the meantime, let's have a look down, I say, at Hikawa Maru. Just put this safely away. All three sisters. Right, let's have a look. Okay, right. Looking at this is a seriously old kit. I found, it says on the box, there we go, 1960 on the box there. I'm not sure if that is manufacturing date. Unfortunately though, I cannot read Japanese. If anyone can read that, I wish you good luck. I'm not sure, maybe that is just a brief history, but I think that would be somewhat in keeping with the style of the box. This box even stapled. I bought that for a princely sum of £18. It was in Southampton. The instructions are literally that. That's the instructions. That is it. That is not many parts. Obviously, it's in very fine print, in very small detail. Obviously, it is all named. I'll have to try Google Translator on this. That's pretty straightforward as is. And on the other side is the full history, all in 99.9% in Japanese. And it gives you paint instructions, again, all in Japanese. Damn. Right, looks like I'm going to win this one with the paint, but I've got plenty of them. In fact, they're all behind me. But let's have a look what we get in the kit. There's your decal sheet. Again, lining, hospital ship lining. And the name is in focus. No, it won't focus. I hate this camera. Right, the name is in both English and Japanese. I will say various sizes of markings for hospital ship. I can probably use them on there, but they'll detach from this one. But saying that though, I could probably paint this one. It's possible because basically the ship I'm looking to do didn't have that many. I might nab a few for the Britannic. Right, let's have a look. Okay, you obviously got your hull bottom, your waterline. Name on the bottom there. It's just one piece. Tabs to clip off. But saying that, I will say one thing about this kit. If it really is this old, it's in remarkable condition. And and the moulding on it is actually quite beautiful. You can't really see it because I'm white on white, but that anchor is so crisp. And the detail is just nice. There's loads of sports structure to take off. And again, basically, it's got a deck moulded in. Look at that! It's even got rivets on the deck house. On the cargo hatches. You can't see that, but I can. And there's only what? Apart from two large bits, there's only 3 screws. There we go. And that detail is beautiful. It's just so crisp. There is no flash on this at all. I can't see any little bit of flash at all. We've got a little nameplate there. Obviously, there's no stand, as far as I'm aware. And it'd be nice to have a whole kit, and that's it. And weirdly, I say a aluminium rod for some reason. I have no idea. Oh wait, hang on. Aha. That goes on the bottom of the hole. Oh, wait, hang on. Can this float? If that is weighted down, that is ballast. So you put it together, can it float? That is interesting if it can. But saying that though, one thing I've noticed on here, basically, back to the model. Go on description here. Minimal rigging, looks actually pretty straightforward. Loads of cranes, loads and loads of cranes. Look on the picture here, loads of them. And they also look very, very fine. Oh, I found a flaw, one of them is broken. Oh well. I'll figure that out. Okay. The shrouds don't have a lot of detail, unless they are shrouds. I'm not sure if they are shrouds. There we go. Let's see. Can't find the crow's nest anywhere. Unless it is probably a separate part. I'm thinking it probably is, considering the amount of detail on this thing. I mean, look at the size of it in parts there. Compared to my finger. I thought those ones were tiny. But saying that though, thank God this isn't a battleship, otherwise basically the guns would be minute. Again, let's say they're numbered ABC. What was it? And well, hopefully I can get this built and put it with the Britannic. And in the meantime, I'm going to be building, well, in a separate series, building the Mauritania, the FX Mauritania, and restoring the old Queen Elizabeth and the Queen Mary. You flash back the loo roll there. It's unfortunately, I was clearing up this stuff. This shit stains like anything. It has permanently stained my carpets. Look down there. Look, if you can't see it, it has stained my fucking carpets. I'm not happy, but it's my own fault for using the stuff. Again, just be careful with this weathering powder. If you get it wet, it's like paint. It is actually not like paint. It's worse. It's like ink. Right. Well, I've also completed my Titanic wreck model. It's not in light here. Yeah, obviously that's in a separate video. Shouldn't do a video about those two. Oh well. Alright. Yeah, but that is the video for today. Right. Ciao for now.